Hey guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 44,872 level on October 1, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 44,841. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 45,862 and 44,312 respectively. Technically, the appearance of a hammer candle may halt the prevailing declining phase and may result in a sideways behavior. The BICCO closed at 8.20 level on October 1, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 7.70. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 9.04 and 7.65. Technically, the stock may attempt to test the overhead weekly resistance. Since the trending indicators are still bearish, sideways trading is expected. The World Call Telecom closed at 2.78 level on October 1, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 2.83. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 2.48 and 3.06. Technically, the stock is in declining phase. The TELECARD closed at 17.99 level on October 1, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 16.94. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 14.20 and 19.90 respectively. Technically, the stock may consolidate itself. The Unity Foods closed at 31.21 level on October 1, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 31.49. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 34.01 and 30.70 respectively. Technically, the prevailing bearish spell is not yet over. The ANLY closed at 20.56 level on October 1, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 19.73. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 21.28 and 17.92 respectively. Technically, the prevailing bearish spell is not yet over. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.